Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share my journey with a low-fat diet and how it has transformed my life. We're going to dive deep into the tips and tricks that helped me achieve incredible results. Let's dive in. Let's talk protein, the building block of our bodies. When I first started my low-fat journey, I knew I had to find delicious alternatives to some of my favorite, but not so healthy protein sources. Think about it. Juicy grilled chicken breasts, flavorful ground turkey, and let's not forget about fish, salmon, tuna, cod, bursting with flavor and omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for your heart and brain health. Now let's talk about the real heroes of a low-fat diet, fruits and vegetables. These nutritional powerhouses are not only low in fat, but packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Imagine biting into a crisp apple or enjoying a colorful salad bursting with flavors and textures. There are plenty of delicious and satisfying low-fat dairy options out there. Think about it. A bowl of high-protein Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries for breakfast, or a sprinkle of low-fat cheese to add flavor to your salads. Chapter 4. Cooking like a pro healthy techniques. Let's talk about cooking methods that will revolutionize your low-fat journey. Grilling. Picture those beautiful grill marks on your chicken or fish, the smoky aroma filling your kitchen. Baking. Think about fluffy baked potatoes, roasted vegetables, and even delicious baked chicken tenders that are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Chapter 5. Processed foods, the silent saboteurs. Let's talk about those sneaky processed foods and snacks that are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and empty calories. Think about those bags of chips that you mindlessly munch on, sugary sodas that spike your blood sugar levels, and prepackaged meals that are often high in sodium and unhealthy preservatives. Chapter 6. Nutrition labels, your secret weapon. Learning to read these labels is like having a superpower. You can make informed choices about what you're putting into your body. Look at the serving size, the calories per serving, and most importantly, the amount of fat, saturated fat, and trans fat. Chapter 7. Let's talk about healthy fats because, yes, there are good fats out there. One of my favorite healthy fat sources is olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently ranked as one of the healthiest diets in the world. It contains monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and some types of cancer. Chapter 8. Nuts and seeds snack smart. Now, let's talk about snacking because, well, we all need a little pick-me-up throughout the day. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack option. Chapter 9. Hydration station. Water is your best friend. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst for hunger, leading us to make unhealthy food choices. That's where our best friend comes in, water. Chapter 10. Meal planning. Your key to success. When you plan your meals in advance, you're less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Think about it. You've had a long day at work, you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is cook. That's when having a plan can be a lifesaver. Outro, start your low-fat journey today. If you're ready to start your own low-fat diet journey, don't forget to check out the description box below for more tips and resources. I've included some of my favorite low-fat recipes and meal planning guides to help you get started. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.